big outing today.
We're going on a train trip.
Yes. And we're still not parked in our driveway because our driveway is full of water.
So we have to go through the forest.
We get to go through the
So an
forest.
exciting hike through the forest to get to the car so that we can get to the train.
So we can get to the lick.
So that we can go somewhere. It's a nice day.
It is
Blue sky.
blue sky.
And it's early enough. Sun's not on us yet. Anyway, everything's put up. Everything's locked up. So we're going to go have a little bit of a family trip.
We need we need this.
Yeah.
We need this.
We still do have a flood.
Yep.
But, you know, we're going to go for a nice little vacation trip.
Yep.
I can carry one, Mom. Can I have one?
Well, yeah, I'm a little concerned because generally you grab one. It takes me a minute to like get you. Oh, there's something over here. Hold on. Get that camera out.
Get the camera out.
I have one. What am I looking at?
I don't know.
Is it an animal?
Yeah, something. Oh, it's a frog. Okay, it's a frog right here.
There's probably one.
Directly. She's got tubes coming out of her.
Oh, God.
Yeah, so she.
But our goal was to get you guys back to Talkeetna by 7:15, 7:30. That's what. Jackalope. Rhinoceros. I just 3 minutes. Then
Grapple.
Couple minutes or
It is nice to be on a train and see front forward, isn't it?
I know it is. It is very. Yeah, I was getting a little.
Gold Creek Bridge. This is the last time we will see the Talkeetna Bridge until we come back and cross back over it. At the time this bridge was built, it was the longest single-span steel bridge west of the Mississippi. The Indian River is known for its
Indian River.
Sure. So keep your eye out for my little four-wheeler.
Log jam right there.
We got some fishermen out here. They're getting ready. We're going to pick them up southbound. Oh, they got some fish.
Yay! A little cabin here.
Are you going to ask her some questions?
No, I kind of already talked to her. I don't want to hog her.
Where the ripples are in front of this one, too.
Your camera. Why is this one safer than that one?
So they're like, all right, we'll get up there. Hi there.
You gonna tag that one? Oh, well, Anna's got one. Is this the station right there? Yeah.
Sorry, this is a rooster though.
That's a rooster? Okay.
Sorry, buddy.
And wait. How can you tell that's a rooster?
Well,
You're a hen.
You said you weren't going to put that book in the chicken.
I know. Well, so he's got a pretty defined tone.
Defiant tone? Okay.
The waddles.
Waddles.
And his tail's starting to do that.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. So that'd be a hen because I can tell the comb's really small, right?
And then we come straight back.
Okay, straight back. Okay.
All
Yeah,
right,
there's
so
your
this
hen.
is going to be a July.
Okay.
So this is blue.
Okay. So you guys have designated colors for the different batches, correct?
Right. Let me put it upside.
So the ones we're going to keep so that we know
Which batch do we
Which batch
have?
is
So we
which.
know down the road when they age out. Hold on, I need to take a picture of it.
Yeah. Okay. We're labeling them too when we put the
She looks like an ink.
game cam in maybe the hen boxes. We can see who's laying and who's not, and then make a determination.
This organizational structure. This will allow us to just start collecting data,
Good.
basically.
Data's good. It's not the whimsical Amy way, but it's good.
Just give me your leg.
Okay. So the purple is for the batch that was hatched out in June. Remember this used to be all green?
They were just right there.
Yeah.
Figures.
So I've really been chancing it this last year with these trees. Richard woke up the other morning early and had to yell from outside the window because there was 2 moose headed this way towards these trees and he scared them off. So I set up these poles before to put some fencing around. It was too big of a span. So today I finally made it to the farm store to get some 10-foot fencing posts so that way I can do this right and protect these trees. You can see the arbitrary posts I have put up around these trees with the hopes to do something like we've done here with the posts and then the chicken wire to deter the moose. Moose really like apple and pear and all the fruit trees, so you really have to protect them. Apparently.
Everything is man-made. Oh, even this stick I'm using. Even my...
Whoa! Sorry.
I said weirdest.
We gotta deter Liliana's from getting around the trees.
Well, like that is gonna hold me up.
We're gonna use those little ties that Amy just got. We'll figure it out. It's not rocket surgery.
Okay, fence. Mom thinks that won't. Whoa, look at this hole.
Yeah, I think that's from the post I dug before. I see how in theory it would work.
Yeah. I'm gonna cinch it a little bit so it's tough to fall off.
Okay. So we had a hawk come down today. We didn't lose any chickens, but some feathers were lost for sure. We have yet to build the run up covered and protected, so Richard put the chickens up right after the attack. We have a bunch of pullet eggs, and this is very exciting. So these are from the chickens that we hatched out in May, and it looks like we have 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Okay, cool. That's very exciting. Well, it's been 4 months and 3 days since we hatched out the first set of chicks. So this is very exciting that we're starting to pull the pullet eggs, and we'll be getting a lot more. And then we have to wait another month, and then the other layers will start laying. And then come November, our last batch that we hatched out will be laying some eggs, and we're really excited about that. It might slow down in November. We'll see. We'll see what happens.
Here's Daisy.
Why are their eyes?
Yeah, hi Daisy. We're at the Flat Tire Farm Homestead with Mr. Reeve. And Crystal.
Hi.
Okay. And they have given us a window, so we're gonna take this window home.
So if you can push the top towards me, we'll just roll it over.
Yep.
And Amy likes all the hard work, so she's gonna be the one doing it.
Come on, Juniper, get out of the way, girl.
Oh, I should have realized that I'm next to a goat and you're gonna eat my coat.
Bill's here.
Hey, you, hey,
So
you.
do you want me to go that way and lift it up?
Can you lift it and get it onto
Yeah.
this near fork here? And then just use it as a fulcrum and we'll pivot it around. Watch the screws right there too.
Would you like to hold the camera, honey, and I can do that, or? All right.
Yeah.
I know you like to have me around for making you nice sandwiches, but I also have some other attributes.
This is the family channel, Richard. Oh,
You did that one all by yourself.
no, I just leaned back and took the weight off a little bit. All right, now you just stand on the forks and hold it there and we'll go.
Are you for real?
No, I'm not.
Don't dare me.
Daisy's always turning my turn signals on.
We got Bill from Alaska's Last Frontier Homestead,
Don't get
Amy
glass in my
from
driveway.
Life in Alaska, and Reeve from Flat Tire Farm
Bill?
Homestead.
How many
You
YouTubers
wanna
does it
come?
take?
How many YouTubers does it take to put a window in a car?
Yes. Big window,
All
tiny car.
from this side here.
Yeah.
I want to try and get that side down there and we'll see if it'll work.
And probably the car is not big enough either, so.
Careful, careful. Come on, Juniper.
Ollie.
Oh my
Oh
gosh.
my gosh.
Like a glove,
Okay, I'm
baby.
gonna-
I was afraid it's gonna stick on that.
Oh, cup holders.
Dang it.
Cup holders.
Cup
Back
builders.
it up.
Dang it.
I know.
Oh well.
Let's. You guys got that for a second? Got it. Let's just stick it in the back of my truck right now.
Okay.
What do you think?
Well, you gotta put a towel saw on the back of your truck.
No, I'll just put the towel saw in the trailer.
Oh, okay.
Man, I was pretty impressed though. I was like, this
Yeah.
It's not real heavy.
No.
What you doing?
Are you guys sure? I mean, we can bring our trailer back up.
I can take it. I'll
Well,
park
we have to
behind.
go to town. We gotta go to Lowe's anyway. No big deal.
Thank you. Yeah.
Richard from Life in Alaska is going to taste test our famous rotten fake pickled horseradish.
Oh man, it's wretched smelling.
Come on, be honest.
All right,
You can
all
do
right,
it.
all right.
Down the crap.
I was trying to be honest. All right, let's get a good.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
Be brave. Come on, you can do it.
You really need about 3 spoonfuls to really get the essence.
I better try again.
Yeah, you can double dip. Yeah, 'cause
Yeah,
you
all
have
right,
to
let's
take that
get
home
a
now.
good one.
This is our trick. That's right. Once you try it, you gotta take the whole jar.
I saw the shimmy. I saw the shimmy.
Oh man.
See, there it is.
Never coming over again for dinner, are you, Richard?
Yeah, it was nice meeting you guys. And, I gotta make sure that's bad. No.
Oh, I love it. Oh.
You know, I don't know. It starts to grow on you after a little while. So.
So do warts.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You didn't try it.
I'm gonna pass on that. I tried that. I tried the.
What's wrong?
They're
Can I smell
very
that?
they're very spicy. No, honey.
Yeah,
they're
it's
good,
like a
but they're
spicy-
they're
I
too
wanna
spicy.
smell it.
Pickled
smell it?
zucchini. It just smells super vinegary.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's fine. It smells like the pickled stuffed egg.